What's up, brainers? Welcome back. You know how we're always scrolling, laughing at dumb memes, watching random videos, ordering food, texting, wasting hours online. Feels like absolutely normal life, right? But here's the kicker. All that normal life, which looks free, isn't free at all. Behind every swipe, every search, every damn like button, there's a $1 billion machine running. And here's the wild part. You're not the customer. You're the product. Yeah, brainrots, they're literally buying and selling you. And no, this isn't some conspiracy theory. It's business. The most profitable business model in the world. Okay, so the whole wide world internet runs on one thing. Attention. That is the gold mine. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, none of them charge you a cent to sign up. So how are they richer than half the countries in the world? Easy. They sell your attention to advertisers. Every extra second you stay scrolling means more ads, more clicks, more cash. For them, not for you. That's why these apps are designed like digital crack. Infinite scroll, autoplay, likes, hearts, notifications, all of it is engineered to trap you. You think you're like, I'll just watch one more short. Nah. They know once you swipe, you're theirs for like an hour. Look at TikTok, for example. An average user spends around 95 minutes a day on the app. That's more than 10 hours a week of your life just feeding ads into their money machine. We all love free shit. WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook, Snapchat, but the truth is brutal. If it's free, you're not the customer. You're the damn product. Your data, your searches, your likes, your late night cravings, it's all tracked. They build a a creepy digital twin of you that knows your habits better than your own mom. And then what happens? They sell it. That's why when you mention pizza once and suddenly Domino's and Pizza Hut are stalking you online. It's not magic, it's the system. It's not any coincidence. Even your so-called private apps aren't innocent. WhatsApp got caught sharing data with Facebook. Gmail scans emails to target ads. Your privacy is actually the price of free. So how did I do it? Actually, well, cookies, trackers, pixels. You must have heard. Okay, so you must have heard of cookies. Whenever you go to any stupid website that nobody's heard of, it says we use cookies. Do you accept or not? Those are cookies. Now what are they? Cookies don't just remember your login. They follow you around like stalkers. You search Nike shoes once, and suddenly every site is like, yo bro, you want these sneakers? Even when you're still on Insta or Facebook, guess what? They're watching you through hidden like buttons and invisible trackers planted on other websites. And the crazy part, they don't just track what you did, they're predicting what you do next too. Before you know you're hungry, they already have burger ads lined up in your feed. That's even a famous case of this. Target once predicted a teenage girl was pregnant just from her shopping data. Before her own family even knew. That's how deep this tracking game goes. Creepy as hell. All that juicy data powers the real bosses. Algorithms. Algorithms are like invisible puppet masters pulling your strings. They decide what video blows up, what news you see, even what opinions you end up having. YouTube drags you into a 3-hour rabbit hole. TikTok feeds you until your eyeballs burn. It feels personal, like yo, this app really gets me. But nah, it's not love. It's straight business, straight up business. They don't care about your happiness. They don't give a shit. They don't care about what. They don't care if you stay. Your time equals their money. End of story. Think about it. Facebook's algorithm pushes you so much fake news. Pushed you so much fake news in 2016 too, that experts say it influenced even elections. That's the power of a puppet master with no conscience. Let's talk e-commerce. Amazon, Shein, eBay, they aren't just shops, they're casinos. Only two left in stock. Countdown timers, fake reviews, flash sales. All of it is psychological warfare designed to make you panic and click buy. Here's the kicker. Amazon doesn't just sell stuff. Sellers literally pay them to show up at the top of the search results. That so-called best product you see, probably just the one that paid the most for coming at the top. Even your shopping cart ain't innocent. They'll keep poking you with don't forget this until you and don't forget that until you break down and buy it. Everything is rigged. And while you're shopping, they're getting even more data. Your style, your budget, your timing. Next thing you know, you're in a loop of recommended for you. That feels like magic, but it's just manipulation. So you might say, what? So what? Just ads, right? But nah, it's way deeper than that. These companies know about you, more about you than your best friend. They know when you're sad, they know when you're hyped, they know when you're broke. They can literally guess if you just broke up and boom, suddenly Tinder ads everywhere. It's not just shopping, it's politics, elections, opinions. Algorithms shove you in little echo chambers. You only see what you already agree with. So you start believing that the whole world thinks like you. That's dangerous as hell. Don't forget mental health. Endless scrolling isn't just bad for your eyes. It's this giant addiction. Anxiety, depression, FOMO, feeling like crap after 2 hours of mindless scrolling. That's not an accident, that's a business model. So we're basically lab rats in a $1 trillion experiment. And privacy, forget it. Once your data's out, it's out forever. Look at Cambridge Analytica scandal. Millions of Facebook users had their private info hijacked and sold to influence politics. That wasn't an accident, that was also business. And Renas, this is just the beginning. With AI, VR, and the metaverse, it's about to get intense. Imagine rocking a VR set, chilling in your digital house with your digital dog on a digital couch. And then boom, an ad floats in your face for Coca-Cola. Sounds stupid? That's exactly where it's heading. If you thought pizza ads were creepy, wait until your VR world is literally whispering buy more into your ear. And with AI in the mix, it doesn't just advertise, it manipulates. Deep fakes, fake influencers, fake voices. You won't even know if the person convincing you to buy something is real or just a line of code. That's a privacy nightmare we're walking straight into. So yeah, brainrots. The internet feels fun, feels free. But it's really just one giant money machine. And we're the few. Every score, every ride, every late night binge, it's cash for them, not for you. We're not using the internet is using us. Now here's the deal. You can either stay the product forever, or you can flip the script and use this shit for your own benefit, like they do. That's the choice. Alright, Minros. Before you scroll to your next dopamine hit, remember this. Don't be data, Minros, be the glitch. I'll see you in the next video.